Hi guys, welcome to CAD tutorial. Today we are going to see and use closed surface command used in CATIA. Guys, today discuss here CATIA lecture 46. CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly, and today closed surface discuss here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface and all 3D commands is not active. This is a close surface command today discuss here. And at first create a any 3D design. Okay, any 2D sketching here, a rectangle. Okay, rectangle is a center rectangle. Okay, exit and some use a mechanical design and use a wireframe and surface design. Okay, and extrude, and this point is upward and this is a downward. Okay, and some is upward and okay. Okay, and again use a mechanical design and this is a part design. Okay, and this is a surface. Okay, again. Okay, some important point. Okay, and this is a color is this body is color is a pink. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and okay, and again mechanical design and wire frame surface design and use a some fill command and this line, this and this line and click. Okay, and this is a fill, and this again you can see here fill command is used. This line and this line is used, and again fill command is used. Okay, this is a fill command is used, and this surface is a blue color, and this surface is a okay, this is a okay, this color. Okay, all is a fulfill. Okay, and use a this join, and join is a this right click and use okay, this click and right click okay, this surface and this right click distance propagation. Okay, click here and this is a all is okay. Okay, and all is join here. This is a complete join, and you can see here, and this surface is a okay, and again a mechanical design and part design. Okay, this is a use a closed surface, and this join part is this part is a hide, then body is hide. Okay, and this again is so this body is so here. Okay, and click this body is closed surface and use a this body all is, and this is a okay, and this all is a complete here, and this body is a showing all line is connected here. Okay, and this again join is hide, then body is not hide because all body is closing. Okay, all body is close, and this body is hide, and then body is hide. Okay, so is body is so, then and okay, this is all body is connect here, and and this body is a property is okay, pink color, and okay, and join particle is a okay, this color is correct. Okay, all body is a join here. Okay, this body is closing, close here, and this line is a hide. Okay, this body is close here, and this face sketch and draw a okay, exit, and pad is a okay, this surface is up to next. Okay, this is a correct. This body is okay, showing here. Okay, and pad command is a use a color is a red. Okay, not so here. This is a okay, body is inside, you can see here. Okay, this face click here and exit, and pad command is used. Okay, this body is and okay, okay, this body is not so here because this is a okay, because this body is a surface design and this is a solid 3D solid design, and this part is use a surface design, and this is a okay, this part is a hole and this part is a hole. Okay, okay guys, this lecture is very important because closed surface is discussed here today. Closed surface is discussed here. Next lecture is coming soon. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.